Do people in the military ever confess to crimes that they didn't actually commit?
You'd be surprised at what service members say and what they actually will confess to. I was working on a case for a soldier just a few years back, and he confessed to some pretty horrific crimes of sexual assault and rape. Everyone wrote him off. The command, law enforcement, heck, his military attorney thought he was guilty. We came in and investigated the case. We really poured through that interrogation, and we realized that after 15 hours of interrogation, after looking at the DNA evidence, the facts and the forensic evidence completely contradicted this service member's confession. And one of two things would have had to be true. Either the forensic evidence was lying, and we all know that forensic evidence doesn't lie, or this was a false confession. That's when it really hit me in the face that service members will and do confess to things that they didn't do or to crimes they didn't commit. Since that time, I've dedicated a certain portion of my practice to defending service members who have confessed to crimes they didn't commit. It's something I'm passionate about. It's something I study very aggressively. It's something that I've spent a tremendous amount of time in. And if a service member calls my office and says they've confessed to a crime and it's a false confession, that's a case I really want to take on, because I don't believe that most lawyers understand what it's like and the gravity of trying to figure out what happened in that interrogation room. How did that individual who walked in at 9 in the morning, an innocent man, walk out at 10 o'clock at night signing his life away? And more importantly, how do you convey that story and teach and educate a jury that these false confessions can happen? Because believe me, they do.